Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the right sheet and the first fold. Pick 80 to 120 GSM paper. Heavier stock holds creases better. Once chosen, place it portrait and align the long edges, then fold the top to meet the bottom, matching corners precisely so the center crease is straight. Make a firm crease with your fingernail or a bone folder to lock the fold. This matters because a sharp initial fold sets every subsequent step. Without it, pockets and pages will drift. Once you have the base fold, continue making half folds or accordion folds to build pages. Practice one mock section to confirm page order. Then nest the folded sheets together. Make sure to stagger the outer edges by about 1/8 inch so margins remain visible when flipped. For a secure playbook, bind the nested stack. Use 2 staples along the spine, a simple saddle stitch, or a thin glue strip. The chosen binding affects durability and how flat pages open. You finish by trimming any uneven outer edges with a ruler and craft knife. This gives a professional look and ensures pages flip cleanly. Once trimmed, add labels or tabs and affix notes lightly so pages stay flexible. If pages feel crooked or bulk shifts, recrease the center folds and renest the sheets, then rebind the spine. This fixes alignment without starting over. If glue fails, switch to saddle stitch staples. The key is correcting nesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.